想問一間全廣東話溝通嘅牙科，維港口腔接診來自80多個國家同地區嘅顧客，線上廣東話諮詢，過半醫護團隊廣東話接診，服務5星好評，提前預約即可申請免費 CT 檢查同400蚊優惠券。
大分縣當鐵線直達，過關即到，超過80個國家同地區嘅顧客係市民睇牙信心之選。
各位朋友，呢個暑假咧就過得好快咯喎，咁下個星期一咧就開始報名啦，咁星期二咧就可以睇到個報名表。嗱，今日我同大家講完之後，到禮拜五同大家講，咁要到下個禮拜二咧見到個報名表咧，先同大家再講講㗎啦。咁到下個星期嘅五咧，又會同大家講 tips 㗎咯喎。咁嗱，而家就講咗呢個練馬師文家良先。嗱，文家良咧喺我眼中咧係一個比較平淡嘅練馬師。你話佢出色咩？咁又有人出色過佢。你話佢平庸咩？咁佢都識得去用人嘅，亦都識得啲交際。咁所以咧，佢個馬房咧都能夠保持喺一個叫中游嘅位置。咁當然啦，佢都練過一隻叫做好出色嘅級制，贏到1級賽嘅馬匹，亦都贏過呢個國際邀請賽嘅馬匹。咁令到佢咧能夠將佢個賽馬事業咧就延續得長啲。咁嗱，呢個咧，不論點都好啦，佢有運就係有運。人嘅際遇咧係永遠強過佢自己嘅實力嘅。有實力但冇際遇都係死。有際遇冇實力，你可以有啲叫做3長2短唔使憂。咁文家良咧就屬於一個叫做好有際遇嘅練馬師。就其他嘅唔再講啦。咁你哋買佢個馬匹嘅時間咧，就都唔使講咩嘅，佢有都係去㗎啦。去到呢個年紀，仲有咩諗啊？係咪？好啦，嗱，另外一個咧就更加要提嘅，就羅富全，一個曾經做過冠軍練馬師嘅人物，而家咧就喺10大以後嘅喎。咁點解今季會沉得咁緊要咧？嗱，呢個就係佢個洗牌期。羅富全服侍過2個練馬師，一個就大摩，一個就係蔡約翰。嗱，佢最成功嘅地方咧，就係佢個人咧係沉實，好沉實。佢做騎師嘅時間唔算出色跟鄭帝慈嗱，但係有一樣嘢，佢咧跟鄭帝慈嘅時間咧，所謂幾番風雨，咩唔見過啊？跟大摩呢個人難服侍到不得了，佢都忍得到。再跟蔡約翰，亦都係一個好低調嘅人物。嗱，我哋唔好講乜嘢其他，佢喺呢3個練馬師度咧，鄭帝慈都曾經係冠軍騎師嚟㗎嘛。咁喺呢3個騎練方面咧，佢真係吸收到唔少嘅人生經驗同埋賽馬經驗，所以令到佢咧係能夠獨樹一幟。唔容易嘅，做一個冠軍練馬師真係唔容易。但係羅富全咧喺佢上位咗2-3年嘅期間咧，已經做到咗啦，真係唔係嘢少。咁佢練馬方面咧都係好一個正派、好王道嘅方法嗱，我睇佢一點就知啦。佢俾馬主嘅 tips 咧係誠懇嘅，亦都令到佢得到一眾馬主嘅支持。嗱，而家係佢嘅洗牌期啫，佢啲馬係好嘅，好快咧，我會感覺到羅富全咧係會重登榜首嘅，唔需要理會佢話咩長短途，呢個佢得嘅，佢控制到嘅。用人方面咧，佢都好即係多元化，咁呢個就係羅富全嘅優點。咁喺騎師方面咧。嗱，我就講梁家俊呢期。梁家俊咧，佢有佢自己嘅風格，有佢自己嘅性格。嗱，佢咧就攞唔到啲大馬房，好似阿方啊、阿廖啊、 阿女阿嬸嘅支持，攞唔到咩嘅。方女嬸了，佢都冇咩特別大嘅支持，反而咧佢喺呢個阿毛啊，呢個新晉練馬師阿毛咧，能夠站穩住腳咧，梁家俊嘅助力咧係唔少啊。阿 Cody Mo、阿羅富全，仲有一個不見經傳嘅阿井 Michael 井，咁呢三個對佢嘅嗰個支持就最多嘅。嗱，可以睇到一個人冇大馬房支持，我成日都讚佢，就係佢能夠化腐朽為神奇啦。梁家俊贏唔到嘅馬俾佢跑，佢分分鐘會有一啲驚喜嘅，化腐朽為神奇啊嘛！你喺個上季贏嘅馬，大冷門唔少嘅，呢個係值得捧場嘅騎師。另一個潘明輝，潘明輝咧，我成日感覺佢有一種馬蹄谷嘅風格存喺度。咁潘明輝咧，以往我對佢咧就唔係咁特別欣賞嘅，但係最近嗰兩季，我覺得佢實在係進步咗，不論走位同呢個殺板咧都進步咗。咁嗱，佢咧就講佢嘅地盤咧就廣泛過梁家俊個。阿何賢啦，佢以前喺何賢度出身噶嘛，何賢有支持啦，阿羅富全有支持啦，阿毛軒東有支持啦，阿井有支持啦，甚至乎姚本輝對佢支持都唔少嘅。不過佢騎姚本輝嘅馬咧就位置居多，即係話姚本輝嗰啲比較 handicap 低嘅馬，好多都拱俾阿潘明輝去搏。咁喺呢一個咧，亦都係一個特點嚟嘅。大家下一季買馬咧，都要跟呢個方向睇。如果潘明輝騎姚本輝嘅馬咧，雙輝咧，你就買嚟做呢個三重彩呢個 Q 腳啊嗰啲係可以嘅。咁同樣地咧佢就大馬房嘅交易唔多，一樣。大馬房交易唔多，不過有呢啲馬房嘅支持都夠啦。好啦，講完呢兩個咧，我又講翻維港點解攞到我嘅信心，再講一講。維港除咗攞到我信心之外咧，亦都攞到好多外國人嘅信心喎。呢一期咧，我就介紹一個靚仔嘅model， 靚仔嘅男 model， 佢一樣係幫襯維港咧做佢個口腔嘅護理嘅。成日都話啦，口腔就係我哋人面上嘅框框，眼睛就靈魂之窗啦，口腔個框框啊，大門咯，出出入入都係佢噶啦。飲水食飯都係口水漱口都係佢。眼睛嘅護理係少啲嘅，耳朵嘅護理係少啲嘅。眼耳口鼻最常用嘅係咩咧？就係個口。眼睛當然咧，擘大眼自動睇，耳朵自動聽，鼻係自動呼吸，但嘴咧就控制住喺我哋嗰個叫做主動啊，嗰個叫做你想講咪講，你唔講冇人要你講嚇。唔好睇少啊！我呢期咧就俾呢個靚仔 model 點樣去睇維港嘅片段俾大家睇睇。
Hello, my name is Joao. I'm an Ecuadorian born in the United States. I'm a model, football player, and a university student.
How did you first learn about Vikong Dental?
Actually, the first time I learned about Vikong Dental was online, I think Instagram. And then I just came because it was quite convenient. I just went to the Lok Ma Chao, I did a 5-minute walk, and then it was super easy.
How would you rate the skills and treatment outcomes of the dentists at Vikong Dental?
I always get the teeth whitening, the cleaning. Sometimes we do like a very deeper cleaning. Sometimes we do a deeper whitening. So I'm very grateful that it's always clean. It's always very efficient. It's very quick. I like the most about Vikong Dental is that it's convenient. It's very easy to get to. Not to mention that all the staff, they treat you like a family. So I think this is the most important. A lot of times you walk into the dentist and it's a bit intimidating or you're a bit nervous, and I don't feel that at all here.
How smooth was your experience traveling from Hong Kong?
I think the easiest way to get here has to be MTR. Everyone can access the Metro rail system, which is the Lok Ma Chau or Lo Wu Port. And from there, it's about a 5-minute walk. So they have 8 branches and it's really convenient.
How did your friend rate Vikong Dental after their visit?
I can say that all of them always come back with a very, very good experience. I never have any complaints. They're always very grateful as well. So I'm happy that Vikong Dental treats everyone equally, very nice, and they always have a good experience.
What kind of dental clinic is Vikong Dental in your mind?
For me, it has to be 5 stars. It's top tier. Everything is modern. Everything is clean. They have the highest level of technology. Very knowledgeable doctors. The staff are very friendly. And they're always catering to whatever you need. So this is the most important. They want to make sure that you feel good, that your smile is bright. And I think that's all that matters.